15 Pro Max or iPhone 15 Pro camera settings. And the first one is go to settings, tap on camera settings, tap on camera settings, scroll down, tap on camera settings, here tap on record video. The first camera setting is switch to 4K resolution. Here you will find various resolution 4K at 24 fps and 4K at 60 fps. Choose any one of 4K resolution to best video recording of your iPhone 15 Pro Max. The second one is shoot at 24 frames per second. Go to record Sayomo and here you will find 1080 pixel HD at 240 fps. Tap on this feature. The next one is turn off HDR video. While you are still in the record video section, scroll down a bit more and turn HDR video off. Doing so will make your footage more compatible with video editor. So turn off HDR. Again, go to record video section and turn off HDR video. The next setting is turn on grid. Again, on the same page, camera settings, scroll down and you will find the option grid. Under composition, enable this feature. The grid displays the rule of thirds overlay, which can help center a subject, frame up a person's eyes, or act as guidance for creative framing. The next one is turn off view outside frame. Disabling this feature will display the area outside of the frame the camera is actually recording. So disable outside view outside frame option. This will properly frame a shot. And the next one is turn on macro control. Macro mode lets you film objects extremely close up. So turn on this feature. Enabling this mode will give you a toggle which is much easier to control than having the iPhone automatically switch to macro mode as the camera gets closer to an object. Now after these settings you will go to your camera app and record a photo. This option is a grid view. We have just enabled grid, so all your camera will not out of your frame actual recording mode.